jobs won't be replaced by AI or unlikely to be replaced by AI are non-repetitive decision-making and interactive. As long as jobs kind of require such a skill, like non-repetitive decision-making or interactive, for example, like management, sales, CEO, consultants, as long as jobs require such a skill, usually will be unlikely or won't be replaced by AI. And Emily, could you elaborate more about those skills?
Absolutely. So as Katja mentioned, all of these are non-repetitive, people-oriented skills. So one is empathetic communication, keyword empathetic, responding to emotion, conveying emotion, making other people listen to you and trust you. That's different than just repeating something, which AI can do. So this type of persuasive communication is very important. And some jobs that could apply to would be sales, where you have to convince people to buy things. Negotiations, that can be in certain finance roles, government roles, some law professions or sub-law specialties. If you're in front of a jury, how can you convince the jury to believe your client? Advertising and corporate strategy. How can your company communicate with a broad segment of the market or hone in on a specific segment? That requires empathetic, human-centered communication. The next major skill is going to be collaboration. Now, scientists have not developed a collaborative AI. I'm going to say that again. AI cannot collaborate. And that's not just with people, it's also with other AI. So being able to collaborate with a team, or even being able to work with multiple AIs to integrate the best of each, is going to be very valuable. Finally, I'm going to talk about creative problem solving and scientific reasoning, and these two kind of go together. AI bases things on what's already happened. They cannot take things that are new or come up with new things. They base their decisions on precedent. So anything new, approaching problems in a way where they have not been approached before, AI is not going to be able to do that. Same with scientific reasoning. AI can't come up with a hypothesis on their own, because again, that's something new that requires thinking of something new and then test it. So scientific reasoning and creative problem solving are going to be very, very valuable skills.